Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm doing a super simple slowed down version of my banner paper clips. Well, I've seen these on Pinterest and other crafters have done them, but I had a request after I did an Instagram reel that was sped up. She wanted to see it slowed down, so I'm doing that, but I'm doing it for my Fall into Crafting series for August, and today is back to school theme. So I have a piece of paper. It's double-sided and it is 1 3/4 by 5 inches. I'm going to cut a triangle out of each end. This is to make the banner bottom shape. Just like that. Now I have I think it's a 2-inch paper clip or whatever that. So not the tiny one, it's the next one up. So you need that whatever color you want, and you want to find the long end of the paper clip, and you're going to stick the paper in that end to the center, and then you're going to fold it, and I like to fold it at an angle so you can see both sides of the paper. So kind of like that, and I'm not quite in the middle there. Let me move it a little bit more. Yeah, that's fine. So it's like that, so you can see the manuscript line on that side and the apples on the other. And then I just put some glue. I'm using tacky glue. Put that right. I only do it right at the top. It's not necessary to go down the whole part of the clip. And then you just kind of want to press it together, make sure that it doesn't pop apart, and just let it dry. But you can go ahead and continue decorating. So I'm going to add on this ribbon. It's a Craft Smart ribbon from Michaels. I know they have some other back to school ribbons right now. This was an older one. So I'm just going to put it on the side that is opposite where it connects. So this will be going on the left side of a page. Let me see, I have this over here. So this will be connecting this way, so I want my ribbons to go off that side. If you wanted it to be the other way, just turn it around and then you can put it here and it would go that way. But I'm going to be decorating it on this side. You could decorate on both so that you could use it for either side. So I'm going to stick my ribbon in. This is probably about 4 inches long. And then I have a piece of twine. I'm going to tie that around at the base of that ribbon. And we can adjust after we tighten it up here. Just do a double knot so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to trim this off a little bit. Like that. And then I have stickers. This paper is from the collection by Echo Park, and it's called First Day of School. I'll try and link it down below. If I don't find this particular collection, I'll find another school collection from Echo Park. They all seem to have the same vibe. They're nice and vibrant. So yeah, really fun. I have a few stickers left in here. Not many, but I think, which one do I want to use? I could use this Best Teacher Ever. It's smaller. And then I have these stickers from the Dollar Tree. They are like teacher stickers to put on assignments, but there is one that has an apple on it that I like. So there's that one right there. So I'm going to use that. Stick that over here. And then I'll do this best teacher ever sticker there. And I have a heart button. I didn't have any apple buttons. I would have used that, but I don't have any. So I'll use the red heart and put that one there. And that is the simple banner paperclip tutorial. So whoever asked me, I can't remember the name, over on Instagram, I'll tag you over on Instagram so that you can come watch this tutorial. I tried to film this in short form version, but it took 7 minutes long, so I can't upload that as a short or a reel. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you again next time. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. God bless. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye.